When I first started trading over 20 years ago, I lost £44,000 within 18 months. I lost all my confidence. I didn't know what I was doing. I had charts like this, what you can see right in front of you now. They were so complicated. You know, I lost so much confidence. I didn't know where to turn. I couldn't tell anybody about my losses. You have to find a way of making it simple. And for me, it was all about using simple charts and using the color method. So many indicators on my chart that was then transformed into something like this, our color method that we use today. This is the gold market. Buy on green, sell on red. Keep it simple. The color method keeps it simple. This is exactly what I needed. I didn't need more confusion. You know, as a trader, as a human being, you always have emotion as a trader, especially when you're trading with real money. Demo accounts are really easy to trade. Everyone makes money on demo accounts, but it really is when you come to trading with real money. You've got to keep it simple. You've got to keep trading signals and your strategy clear and easy to follow. Buy on green. This is the gold market. Buy here. We don't have a red. A red is an exit signal. I get out the trade. As soon as it turns red, which it hasn't done here, then I will exit the trade. I'm not concerned about what everybody else thinks about gold, what the news thinks about gold. My system here, the color method, is turning red. That means more sellers are coming into the market, which means it's going to push the market lower. And that lower signal will be a red candlestick like here. So we exit here, we buy back here. This is the weekly gold market. Let's have a little look at today's day trading on the German DAX. Now, it's been actually a quiet trading day, but look at the buy signal on the left. We got these dots, which are the tracks here on the system. This is it in its bearish format here. Just we have the pro trend system targets and stop placements for you as well. We buy on green, sell on red. Buy on green, sell on red. If you feel like the market's going down and we're in a downtrend, you can sell on red, buy back on green, sell on red or short on red and buy back on green. Here's a little stop loss here you might have taken, but look how small the stop loss is. You shorted here, it turned back to green, you got out the trade. You're never going to make 100% winning trades. That acceptance that you will have losing trades. But what's the most important thing as a trader is having small losing trades. Look, guys, down in the description, I've got 3 free courses for you. Okay, so there's the US stock trading course. There's the beginner's apprentice trader course that you can actually download for free and go through that. Here's the FTSE 100 on a daily time frame. Buy signal here. All the tracks are green. Candlesticks are green. We're getting out here. What are we doing here, guys? It's going green, okay? Down here on our momentum indicators going green as well. So when this closes green, if it closes green, now we need to wait for the candlestick to close green, then we buy it and then we'll run it up. And what's our exit signal? Yep, a red candlestick. So that's the FTSE 100. You should have been long that, and now it's starting to actually go green once again. You can see the pound versus the US dollar today on a 15-minute time frame. What did it do? It went green here just after 7 a.m. What color are we? Well, we're still green. We're not red. So straight away, I'm just thinking, well, I'll sit back and I'll wait for it to turn back to red. Once it turns red, sellers are in control. I exit the trade, okay? So for me, keeping it simple, as we go in search of that dopamine fix every single day, that dopamine to make us feel good, you know, you've got to have a clear, consistent, profitable trading system or procedure, which we use here on the color method, instead of trading with something like this, which for me just confuses me 100%. I've got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 7 indicators on my chart. That, or do you want to go for something, you know, like this, like this, like this, like this, where it's really easy to get in, and then it makes trading so much easier. Guys, don't forget to, you know, get those free courses, the US stock trading course, and then if the Forex course is available still, that is free of charge. You can dive into that. Teaches you all sorts of things about technical analysis, how to place trades. If you're a complete beginner, that is perfect for you. All right, guys. Also, make sure you give us a like if you're watching this on YouTube, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. We've got plenty of content coming down the line. Take care.